We're here in downtown Boston. This is Boston Quality Cleaning Services. We're in the corner of Boylston Street and Charles Street in downtown Boston. This is the corner. There's a company here that Boston Quality Cleaning Service provide cleaning service for both I have no idea how to pronounce both app corporation and looks like it's kitchen remodeling company, and Boston Quality Cleaning Service provides cleaning service to this company for quite some time. And as you can see here, image means everything for this company in order for them to properly sell kitchen remodeling products. And they do trust Boston Quality Cleaning Services to take care of their place here. As you can see, and as you know, the place being clean, it's very important in order to get customers to love the products and then purchase it. And this is proof that Boston Quality Cleaning Services provides excellent services. And here we have a member of our team taking care. As always, the first step is the vacuuming. And so we first vacuum the entire floor. First member of the team comes dusting, and the dusting falls on the floor, and then we come with the vacuum. And reaching every corner, as you can see, it's a canister vacuum that belongs to Boston Quality Cleaning Service. Will have several canisters like that. It's very important to have all the proper equipment. So we're very proud to be chosen by Boston Quality Cleaning Service.